Okay, so good morning. We'll get started. I've got a PPT for you today, and we'll do just a little bit of the textbook. It's page 122, lesson 7. So we'll just do ABC here. And
Can I take a picture real quick?
oh yeah, sure, yeah. Here, we'll just take a picture of the class list.
자, 선생님 지금 출석한 학생들 사진 찍겠습니다. 바로 전화하겠습니다. Okay, thanks. I'll be back.
Okay. So the key phrase today is I wonder. Okay, let's get started.
Listen and speak one.
Okay, so we'll listen for a phrase that says something like I wonder, blah, blah, blah.
What does the girl wonder?
So we've got two choices.
She wonders where the mountain is.
She wonders where the mountain is, or
She wonders how high the mountain is.
where it is, or how high it is. So we'll listen and check.
We're almost at the top of the mountain.
I wonder how high this mountain is.
It's about 2,000 meters high.
Wow, this is a really high mountain.
Yes, it is. Let's keep going.
All right, we'll go one more time.
How high the mountain is.
Oh, you got it? Okay, good.
She wonders how high the mountain is.
Okay, okay. He said over 2,000 meters. So let's look at a PPT of this. There we are. A little more sexy. Yeah. So, I wonder. Okay. So, we got a man thinking, and he's thinking about, Huh. What is he thinking about? Yeah. So I'll say first, and then you can say second. This is tall. I wonder how tall penguins are. Jacques. Oh, one more time. I wonder how tall penguins are. Jacques.
I wonder how tall penguins are.
Okay. So, how tall are penguins? Emperor penguins are about 1.2 meters tall. Okay. Here's another example of I wonder. Okay, so she's thinking, polar bears. Okay. Polar bears. So this time she says, I wonder how heavy polar bears are. Jacques.
I wonder how heavy polar bears are.
So it's like a question, but it just looks like a statement. So here's the answer. Male polar bears weigh about 450 kilograms. They're big. They are big. Man. Here's another I wonder. This one's kind of scary. Scary to me right now. So he's thinking about global warming. This one he says, I wonder how cold the Arctic is. 시작.
I wonder how cold the Arctic is.
And it's not very cold right now. Oh, scary. This goes. Yeah. The Arctic is only -9 Celsius right now. It's not very cold for the Arctic. So right up there, it's only -9. And then I go to, take a look, and then go to Korea. And there's Korea. Korea is 22. So not bad for Korea, but bad for the Arctic. Yeah. Okay, last example. So she's thinking about a mountain. Okay. So, she says, I wonder how tall Wolchusan is. 시작.
I wonder how tall Wolchusan is.
Yes. Yeah. And I think this is right. I looked it up. Wolchusan is 809 meters tall. Pretty tall. And very beautiful. It's my favorite mountain. So now, I wonder is like, I wonder is like a question. So let's see if we can make a question with I wonder. So here's an example. Let's see if we can do this. So this, down here is a man, and then this is a blue whale. They are huge, huge creatures. So I'll say first, the blue whale is about 25 meters long. 시작.
The blue whale is about 25 meters long.
So that's the answer. So let's see if we can make a question. So here's a question. How long is a blue whale? 시작.
How long is a blue whale?
So question, answer. Now, can we change this to I wonder? I wonder, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I can show you. You take this, and this can go right there. I wonder how long a blue whale is. 시작.
I wonder how long a blue whale is.
So you can see these are pretty much the same. Just one has a question mark, one has a period, but they both want to know this. Let's try another example. So, the Sahara Desert is usually 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. 시작. The Sahara Desert is usually 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. 시작.
The Sahara Desert is usually 30 to 50 Celsius.
Yeah, Celsius. Okay. So that's the answer. And then he asks, how hot is the Sahara Desert? Jacques.
How hot is the Sahara Desert?
Okay, good. Now, can we make this an I wonder? Whoa, 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 whoa. I wonder, blah, 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 blah. Can we make this I wonder? I'll show you. I wonder how hot the Sahara Desert is. Bad lighting. I'm gonna move this over here. There we go. So, Jacques.
I wonder how the
I wonder how hot the Sahara
Desert
Desert is.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Now. Okay. Here's another one. Okay. So I can see this really well, but this is the planet Jupiter. It's huge and it's very far away. So I'll just say this one. Jupiter is about 705 million kilometers away. Very far. So that's the answer. Here's a question. How far away is Jupiter? Now, can you make a I wonder? I wonder.
I wonder how far away Jupiter is.
Yeah, nice. Okay. I wonder how far away Jupiter is. Jacques.
I wonder how far away Jupiter is.
is.
Nice. Okay. Good. Okay, now this one's a little different grammar, but same idea, just a little different grammar. Okay. So here's the answer. Camels can go 7 months without wool. 7 months. Okay. So here's just the standard question. Jacques. How long can camels go without water? Jacques.
How long can camels
How
go
long
without
can
water?
camels go without water?
Okay. So there's no is here, so we don't have to move the is. But can we make this an I wonder? This we just need to move just a little bit. I'll show you. Okay. So the can just goes here. I wonder how long camels can go without water. Jacques.
I wonder
I
how
wonder
long
how
camels
long
can go
camels
without
can go
water.
without water.
Here we are. Okay. And I think this might be last example. Yeah, last example. This is my hometown. This is my home in winter, not now. But this is my hometown. A lot of snow. So here's the fact. Canada usually gets 2 meters of snow in winter. Sometimes more, sometimes less. 2 meters. So here's the question. How much snow does Canada get in winter? Jacques?
How much snow does Canada get in winter?
How much snow does Canada get in one winter?
Yeah, okay. Now, can you make an I wonder? I wonder. I'll show you. small little change. Just get rid of this and then add S. I wonder how much snow Canada gets in winter. 시작.
I wonder
how much snow
much snow
Canada
Canada
gets in winter.
Yeah, okay, good. Oh, wait, I lied. One more example. Hey. I made one more because we've been getting so many typhoon. So here's a super typhoon. It's scary looking. So here's the fact. Typhoon Haiyan was the strongest typhoon. And the wind was 240 kilometers an hour. So here's the question. How strong was the biggest typhoon? And then here's the I wonder. I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was. So, I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was. 시작.
I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was.
Okay, good. So that is I wonder. Let's do the next part. All right. So these ones are just true and false. So we'll just listen and check. There's three things.
The South Pole is the coldest place on Earth.
So true or false?
July is colder than December in the South Pole.
True or false? And
It snows a lot in the South Pole.
all right, let's check it.
Look at the baby penguins on TV. They're so cute.
Yes, but they look very cold out there.
Yeah, the South Pole is the coldest place on Earth.
I wonder how cold it is there.
The average temperature is about -58 degrees Celsius in July and -26 degrees Celsius in December.
Oh, then July is colder than December there. Interesting.
Yes, although it's very cold there, it doesn't snow much.
That's interesting too.
Okay. There's a lot of facts and numbers there. So, okay, or one more time?
Okay.
Okay, all right, so let's get it. So, number one, the South Pole is the coldest place on Earth. True or false? True or false? Coldest
True.
place on Earth.
True.
True. Yeah. All right, this next one's strange. July is colder than December in the South Pole. True or false?
False.
I think this might be true, but we'll check it. Let's check it. And next one. This one should be easy. It snows a lot in the South Pole. True or false? Let's check it. Well, here, let's just check the script. Here, we'll just play it again.
Look at the baby penguins on TV. They're so cute.
Yes, but they look very cold out there.
Yeah, the South Pole is the coldest place on Earth.
True.
I wonder how cold it is there.
The average temperature is about -58 degrees Celsius in July and -26 degrees Celsius in December.
Oh, then July is colder than December there. Interesting.
Yes, although it's very cold there, it doesn't snow much.
Ooh. Oh.
That's interesting too.
Okay. So, true, false, false. Oh, wait. True? I think that's it. Yeah, okay. Good. Next part. Okay. So these are some directions. You've probably seen these before. So, I'll say A, and you can say B. We're finally here.
Yes, I'm so excited. Let's look around.
I wonder where the bus stop is.
It's in
It's
front
in
of
front of the police station.
All right, let's go. Let's try another one where you're A and I'm B. And let's do park. Okay. Yes. All right. Can you be A, she, Jacques?
We are
We're
finally
finally
here.
Yes, I'm so excited. Let's look around.
I wonder where Green Park is.
It's next to the school.
You're right, let's
You're
go.
right. Let's go.
These are pretty easy. I'm not sure why it's in a third grade textbook. You covered this last year, but let's be sure. Okay, so directions. So, three main directions. There might be one or two questions on the exam about these, so just a little bit. In front of, next to, and behind. So I made a map with Ryan. I'll let you see it here. So there's bakery, post office, hospital, bookstore. And Ryan says, the post office is Cha-Cha, the hospital. So, what would you say? The post office is, I'll go back, maybe I showed it to you too fast. In front of, next to, or behind. So, the post office.
Behind.
You can do behind, yeah.
Behind.
The post office is behind the hospital. Jacques.
The post office is behind the hospital.
Okay. And here's bookstore, okay? And this is the front. So now Ryan would say, I am standing Cha-Cha, the bookstore.
In front of.
Yeah, so I am standing in front of the bookstore. Okay. And then here we've got school and playground. So they both work. Might be behind, maybe in front of, because there's all these doors. So, can you say, Jacques? The playground is behind or in front of the school. Both of them kind of work. Okay. Oh, we've got a lot of students coming in late. The class is almost finished. Okay, so that's the last part. Let me skip one. Here we go. So just remember these three: in front of, next to, and behind. So all finished. Thank you very much, and have a good morning. Oh,
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.